Let's hope there's something useful.
Very impressive, thank you. This may furnish a few pieces still missing from the puzzle.
The piece Kuru is endemic among the native population here, but the incubation period can take up to 12 years. Many of the natives here have built up an immunity which keeps the virus latent even longer. But this new virus is very different. It goes full-blown within hours. I think I may be able to create a vaccine, but to do so, I need a stable version of Kuru that hasn't yet mutated. Can you help me with that?
Okay, what the hell?
You must find someone from Ope's clan. Someone who hasn't had any contact with the infected, and get a sample of their blood or tissue. Speak with the shaman, because I don't know if anyone like that even exists.
All right then. Now you just need to find someone from Opie's clan who hasn't had contact with the infected. And they don't even have to be bloody alive. See, they have a practice here where they embalm the dead, turn them into mummies, right? You just need to find one of these mummies and take a sample. Listen to me. Emily is still alive. We still have a chance to save her.
I heard Dr. West say you would help us out. We devised a formula that can render someone temporarily invisible to the undead. It uses a pheromone inhibitor and fools them into believing that you are not among the living. But to complete the formula, I need a compound called icaridin. It's highly volatile, and we keep it in chemical storage. Do you think you can find some and bring it back?
How can I say no?
Très bien. The storage facility you want is behind the main building. Have you even looked yet?
Hello, have you a moment? If you happen to be near the bungalows, could I ask you a favor? Could you look in bungalow number 3 for my work files? They should be on the desk with my laptop. I was working on protein folding simulations. If you find them, please bring them here. It would take us days to recreate that data, and we don't have days.
Okay.
Great, I'll be right here waiting. Thank you. I could really use that data. I could really use that data.
You don't want to pass up anything useful.
You still here? I know you.
Guess we done here. You again, motherfucker! Know that had to hurt. his last legs. Fucking die!
There it is! Thank you! This could make all the difference! Dr. West said you'd be willing to help. But to continue my research, I need you to find something for me. I need a large quantity of diseased tissue from a specific type of the infected. I'm interested only in those that are bloated and swollen as if they'd been drowned and left to rot.
Okay, what the hell?
They can be found near large pools of water. I'm sure there are quite a few in the nearby swamps. Have you found the kelp? This'll do just fine. I'll tell Dr. West how helpful you've been.
Let's hope there's something useful.
You have it. Très bien. Okay, give me a minute. I will mix the formula.
Every person in my village ate the flesh of the immortals. But many did not resurrect. The spirits are angry with us. The only warriors left are in the tombs of our ancestors. It is in the mountains near our village. Take me to your boat, and I will lead you. Before this world even existed as it is, there was another time. The Dream Time. In this time, nothing had substance, and there was no life or death.
Anything good in
We
here?
existed without fear, without pain, without purpose. We travel there in our sleep, for the dream time is always with us, waiting in the darkness. The spirits who watch over us rose from deep within the void kingdom. And created the sky, and the sea, and the land, and everything alive, and everything that isn't. Do you see them?
Oh, shit!
The immortals, the resurrected, their spirits remain on this plane. They live in both worlds, the dream time and our time. That is why they are sacred. They consume us to become one with us, for they are the bridge between the two worlds, the world of the spirit and the world of flesh and blood. Another one! Don't let them stop us!
What's in here?
understand? They worship these bloody things. They are the infected to become resurrected. So I'm afraid you might have some problems with this shaman. Keep an eye on him, right?
Come.
I'll wait in the boat, but hurry up, okay? This place is evil as evil can be.
We make the sacrifices for the spirits at this altar.
Look at that.
There. I see one. Here is my village. Angry spirits are everywhere. Stay close to me. Maybe we will avoid the fight. Resurrected brothers, warriors. Follow me quickly. We must leave the village at once.